There's so many people saying buy this and buy that. What we like to do is show you what we're doing, how the portfolios are performing, and so we can be as transparent as possible, right? Because it's not just about us making money, it's about showing y'all that we are doing the exact same thing that we are teaching and telling you all or guiding you all on how to do it. And so first and foremost, man, we're gonna just start off with the buy and hold portfolio, because for me, before you do anything else, you should have that money working for you all the time. So buy and hold is definitely key for us, man. So let's look at, and y'all know every January we start this portfolio over. So 2022, when the market was down 22%, we had a return to 16%. 2023, the market was up 20-something%, we had a 26% rate of return. And as y'all can see right now, the market is up maybe 18, 19%, 20 at best, we up 55%. So we just, you know what I'm saying? We do our thing, you feel me? One of the things that we do is we keep the portfolio small, the number of stocks we have in it, and we just like to pile in it. That's one of my goals, is to just flood them, to keep them small. And why we do that is because if you, let's say you got 25, 26 companies, now you spreading your money out, you know, long. So for us, what we like to do is say, okay, let's get 10, 12 positions max, right? And then let's just pile in them. You know what I'm saying? And our goal is to beat the market every year, year in, year out with this portfolio. So let's get into it. So as you can see, of course, we got the NVIDIA. We today made 6,000 for us. We have 2,000 shares of this company. Total gain 178,000. Percentage-wise, that's 183%. So if you got NVIDIA this year with us, when we got into it, you'll be up 100 and some percent. And that's what we like to show people. It's not just about this 178,000, it's about the 183%. Right? Another one we love is FICO. We have 60 shares of that. One that I've been telling people to get into. It's up 50,000, but it's up 68%. Right? Another one is Centaz, one of my sleepers, right? We have 401 shares. It's up 14,000, we up 21%. Allstate, we have 353 shares, it's up 6,500, we up 10%. VRTX, a sleeper. Y'all know I love this one because it is coming out with a non-addictive opioid drug. And when it does, it's in phase 3. When it does, man, it's going to be a game changer. It is up, we have 200 shares. It is up 14,000, which is 16%. We got EME, one of my sleepers for sure. 175,000 shares. It is up 27,000. It is up 52%. Of course, another sleeper of mine, PWR. We have 150 shares. It is up 18% at $7,400. Costco, we gonna always have Costco as a part of what we doing. Costco is up 35,000, and we're up 35% as well. We have 152 shares. Then we got Meta, we got 100 shares. Definitely should have some more Meta. It's up 24,000, it's up 68%. Decker's the only one that's not really performing the way we thought it would. We have 150 shares, it's down 7%, down $2,000. And then we close it off with Eli Lilly. Well, we have 200 shares, we up 63,000, up 51%. As you can see, we all over the place as far as we not stuck on one thing, right? So we are in medical with this one, with Eli Lilly, medical with VRTX. As you can see, we're in technology with Meta, and we in technology with NVIDIA, but then we in, industrials when we come to, not industrials, financials when they come to Allstate. You can see we in consumer discretionary with our Deckers, with our Centaz, so we not just in one thing, we all over. So that's good because we got a diverse 11 positions. So that's real, real good. We like that. We glad y'all see that. Right, and again, 55%, up 420,000. That's almost $500,000. We can get another 80 grand in that. That'd be $500,000 from there. We love it, right? So let's go a little further, man. Let's take y'all inside of the options account. Know y'all want to see that for sure. As you can see, year to date in the options account, total realized gains right now, unrealized gains is 41%. That is $842,446. I don't see it up here, but year to date, our realized gains, mean money we took out, is at 1,697,000. We at 1.7 thousand. As of right now, I don't take nothing out the market. I put everything right back in the market. As of right now, we have 26 positions. And so we'll just get into those 26 positions for y'all. So y'all can see we got the 2 NVIDIA plays, a March 21, 2025 call and a February 21, 110 call. Mind you, we've been in these plays before they hit that strike price. I don't buy options contracts are in the money. I always buy my contracts out the money. I always talk to my people about buying their contracts out the money. Let me just say this right quick. If you want to learn how to do the buy and hold, you definitely need to get the Wall Street trapping course. And if you want to learn how to do options, you can get my options masterclass, or you can come join the Patreon. The Patreon just gets my plays. Or if you just want to learn more about buy and hold and breaking down companies, come join Trappers Anonymous. That is something we really specialize in. Let's get into it. So as you can see, we have 200 contracts this March call. We have 100 contracts of this 200 call. But here's what I want to show y'all. It's not just about the money. It's about the percentages. 52% gain on that one, 112% gain on the other one. So if you was in my Patreon or something, you would be up those percentages. So that's what I like people to understand. It's not just about the money, man. It's the percentages of the money that truly tells the story. Why? Because I can be up 206,000, but what if it took me $3 million to make 206,000? Well, what this shows you is that I'm up 206,000, but that's 52% of my initial investment. You feel me? That's the key. Like, that's how people be tricking y'all, right? They'll be like, yeah, I made $1 million a day, or I made $10,000 a day, but it cost them $40,000 to make $10,000. Like, I'm not mad at that, but that percentage ain't what you, like me, I'm up $206,000 on the life of these contracts, but that's up 52%. That tells a different story, right? Like, we made $185,000 on this contract, but we were up 112%. You feel what I'm saying? You see the difference in that? So that means if let's say you put up $5,000 and you up 112%, that means you've flipped your money, right? That means you've took your 5,000 and turned into a little more than, you know what I'm saying? Now you 10,000, the value is worth 10,000 and some change because you up 112%. So you flip your money. That's what I want y'all to understand about how we play this game. It's different than everybody else. Eat it. All right, we not boasting or bragging though. We lead with humility. We lead with humility, all right? We just want to show y'all the possibilities of the game and how y'all be getting misled sometimes when people show y'all money. All right. So not only, man, we got this SMH call. So if an NVIDIA is running, you know that SMH call gonna be doing pretty good. So we got the March 21, 25. It's a $265 call. We have 40 contracts. That one is up 23%. We only been in that one maybe about 3 weeks. It's up 17 grand. Again, but people always say, Trap, all you do is do technology. Like the Ladube said, tomorrow. We don't. We got a Goldman Sachs play. We've been in this play maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks at best, right? 525 call, as you can see, we 25 contracts on that, up 32%. I want you to take this for a second and put this in your head. Imagine being in this call for a week and a half and you already up 32% on your bread. Right? We got 25 contracts. We up 32%, right? And I don't got nothing against day traders, right? I think everybody is great at what they do and the way they do it. You should master that. But for day trading wasn't for me. But for me, you know what worked for me best? And here's another thing. Oh, Chop, you just put money in these accounts and you stretch the thing out for a year. Well, look at my contracts. We've been in this Goldman Sachs call 2 weeks. That's a March contract. So it mean we got it in October, right? November, December, January, February, March, 5 months. That ain't 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2 years. That ain't that, nothing against that. But the philosophy that we use inside of the options masterclass tells us when should we buy the contracts what's the strike price we should have, how to go from 1 contract to 2, 2 contract to 4, 4 contracts to 8, 8 contracts to 16, 16 contracts to 32, 32 contracts to 64, and on and on. So that's how you see me with 200 contracts, 100 contracts, 40 contracts, 25 contracts. Let's go to this one. QQQ is a March call. We got this one late September, right? 25 contracts. As you can see, we up what? The Goldman Sachs one, 35%. The QQQ, we's up 15%. Now look at this. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I never said we win them all. We got this NVIDIA 140 contract. Now, we've been in this one for a while, right? We've been in this one probably about 2 months, right? We got 35 contracts. It's down 14%. This is minus $8,000, right? But let's go a little further. We got this KLC contract. Now, what is this? NAW, ServiceNow contract. We got 8 of those. Look at this, 140%. That means we done already sold half, because once I get to 100%, I try to sell half. I didn't sell half of this NVIDIA because I want to do something I'm going to talk to y'all about in a couple months. But that's why I ain't sell this one. Where we at? All right, ServiceNow, we got 8 contracts. Right, we probably sold half of that already. We up 140%. So just imagine if you have 2 of these contracts, you up 140%. That means you about 60%. On the cool, you done flipped your money 1.5 times at this point. At 140%, 150%, another 10%, you done flipped your money. You know, if you put $1,000 in, you probably have $1,500 almost. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what I be wanting y'all to see. Like, not just the money that we making, but the percentages, so you can be like, oh, bet. Let's go. We got the KLC contract. We down. We got 3 of those. We down 14%. Not bad. We have this other NVIDIA contract, February 21. 22 contracts. We up 17%. We like that. We're not mad at that. We got another ServiceNow, 191%. That means you don't flip your money twice. 191%, you done flip your money twice. So you flip your money a half a time. So watch this. If you take 100 and go to 150, that's 50%. If you take 100, go to 200, that's 100%. That means you got a 100% return on your money. Now you take that 100 and turn it to 150, now you add what? 150%. You take that 100, turn it to, you take that 100 and turn it to 200, that's 100%. You take that 100 and turn it to 250, that's 150%. You take that 250, that's 150%. And you take that 100, turn it to 300, you've now got 200% rate of return on your money. So for me, because I like to play the game at a big dog status, but watch this, I had to work my way up. Like, it ain't happen overnight. It was, okay, let me buy 1 contract, and once I get 100%, let me buy 1 more contract. If I get 100%, now let me go buy 2 contracts. I get 100%, and 1 turned to 2, 2 turned to 4, 4 turned to 8, 8 turned to 16, 16 turned to 24, and now look at it, y'all, we buying 200 contracts. We buying, you know what I'm saying? That's how we playing the game, though. All right, so let's go a little further, y'all. We got this, we got an SMH, we got 5 contracts. We down 0.25%. We got a TSM, we got a TSM, January 75 call. We got 10 contracts. We up what, 28%? Now watch this. Again, we showed y'all right here. We don't just do with the Goldman Sachs. We don't just do technology. Look what we did. Look what we did. We went American Express. 10 contracts, 63%. TSM, 5 contracts, 22%. Okay, Qualcomm, we down. Remember, I don't win them all. We don't get them all, right? Qualcomm, now watch this. Meta, 15 contracts, 176%. PANW, January 17 call. So what that is, we got in that call in September, October, November, December, January. That's 4 months. We got now in what? September, October, November, that's a 4 month, that's 4 months. So we all over, we 4 months, we 5 months, we 6 months. We play the game, y'all. So stop thinking, oh, trap this is getting, no. We play the game based on a formula. Come on, y'all. Come on now. All right. PNW, 25 contracts. Look at this. $20,000, 27%. Look at this. Meta. Now this one here is my baby. Cause now, let me be fully transparent with y'all. This is probably the longest contract I've had. We got in this contract in April. We got in this contract in April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Oh my God. We got in this contract in April. And let me just say something. There's one other contract that gave me fits like this, and it was last year, AVGO. I got in it the day before, I got it in September, 2022, 2023, and it beat the brakes off me. Yeah, it beat the brakes off me. It went from, I don't know, maybe 997 to 797 in a matter of 2 months. Got into that 797 again, and it soared all the way up to 1400. This meta play did me that. This play is a 505 call. Mind you, we got in this call, it was 400 and something. It got up to 516 and then went all the way back down. That's how we got in the 435 call. It went all the way down to 400 and something. I'm staying. And we've been in this, isn't it? It done came up, went down, but now it been on the run. And look at it right now. 20 contracts, we are 51%. If I can get 100% on this, I would be so like flabbergasted. This would be my comeback stock of the year. This would be my comeback position of the year, 100%. It is right now regardless, but if I can get 100% on it, comeback position of the year. But again, we are 51%, we have 66,000. Here we go again. Another one, we not just in technology. Berkshire Hathaway, come on, 20 contracts, we up 3%, we not mad at that. Look at this, Eli Lilly, we in healthcare. Come on, 5 contracts, 105%. Come on, y'all, we all over the place here. Amazon is down for sure, 20 contracts is down 45%, down 15,000. We got another Eli Lilly call, we back to back them with that one. Up 10 contracts, it's up 3%. Amazon call is down. We got an ANET call that's blowing it out the water. We've been in this one for maybe 2 weeks. I don't know. February call, 20 contracts, up 72%. Oh my God. It's the power of the trap. Now this one is probably the most heartbreaking so far. This Wingstop play. We got in this play, the minute we got in this play ran up to about $36,000 in about a week. And then it just went belly up on me. It went the other way. But again, we got 50 contracts, we're down 34%. It's January call. You know, we want to see what's going to happen. And then CrowdStrike, man, January call, 30 contracts. We up 36%, man. And as y'all can see, man, it's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Listen, man, we love this game. And again, out of 26 positions, you know, we down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plays, 6 plays, 7 plays. So let me see something. Right quick. Yep, 71%. That ain't bad. Come on, man, 71%. I take that any day of the week, you feel me? If you average 71% on your options plays, yo, that means you winning out you. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of our average, between 71 and 76%. So we are where we need to be at, man. So again, man, you know, wanted to just be transparent with y'all, show y'all what we doing. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Remember, that's not me in the chat telling y'all about WhatsApp. It's not me in the chat telling y'all about Bitcoin and crypto. I don't do that. I stick to stocks, all right? I do have crypto, but I don't try to teach nobody about it because all I buy is Ethereum and Bitcoin. That's all I buy. Right, so listen, man, get in the options game. Check us out each and every Tuesday on the Wall Street Looks Like Us and Our Network live, so you can see your live portfolio in real time from that day. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I'm out.